Hey tubers! Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the freighter Algoma compass. So we're going to follow the Algoma compass as she goes up the river. We're going to try for a mid-evening salute. We're going to try. Well, no dice. Well, we're going to follow the Algoma compass as she goes up the river to her destination. We're following the Algoma compass as she goes up the river to her destination to get loaded. No dice. I'm just following her. It's going on YouTube tonight. We're following the Algoma compass. Oh, we got the horn. We got the horn of the Algoma compass. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the freighter Algoma compass. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what freighter I'll come up with next. And she's all lit up for the night, for the evening.